What if the perfect SUV wasn't the loudest, the fastest, or even the most expensive? What if it quietly outsmarted everything else on the road? The 2026 Ford Escape 2026 is here, and it's not trying to impress you the usual way. No over-the-top design, no unnecessary hype. Instead, it focuses on something most SUVs forget: real-life usability. In this video, we'll break down what makes the new Escape surprisingly powerful, why it might be the smartest SUV in its class, and the one thing that could change how you look at everyday driving. At first glance, the 2026 Escape doesn't scream for attention, and that's exactly the point. It's cleaner, sharper, more refined. The front grille feels wider, the LED headlights slimmer, and the overall shape more aerodynamic than before. But here's the catch. This design isn't about looking aggressive. It's about reducing drag, improving efficiency, and making every drive smoother. Now let's talk about what really matters. What's under the hood? The 2026 Escape offers multiple engine options: a turbocharged 1.5-liter engine, a more powerful 2.0-liter option, and a hybrid system designed for maximum efficiency. But this is where things change. The hybrid version isn't just about saving fuel. It's about how the car thinks. It adjusts power delivery, switches seamlessly between electric and gas, and gives you a smoother ride than most competitors. And in real-world driving, that means fewer stops at the gas station and more time actually enjoying the road. Step inside, and everything feels intentional. The cabin is quiet, minimalist, but packed with smart technology. A large touchscreen sits at the center, responsive, fast, and easy to use. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a fully digital driver display. But here's what most people miss. It's not just about features. It's about how effortlessly everything works together. No distractions, no confusion. Just a space designed to make driving feel simple again. You don't always see safety, but you feel it. The 2026 Escape comes loaded with advanced driver assist features: lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring. But this is where it gets interesting. These systems don't just react, they anticipate, helping you avoid problems before they even happen. And in today's world, that's not a luxury. It's a necessity. Modern SUVs aren't just machines anymore. They're intelligent systems, and the Escape proves it. With over-the-air updates, your car keeps improving, even after you buy it. Think about that. New features, better performance, without stepping into a dealership. This is where things truly change. Your car isn't static anymore. It evolves. Let's bring it back to reality, because this is where the Escape really wins. Spacious cargo area, flexible seating, comfort for daily commutes, and long road trips. It's not trying to be a luxury SUV. It's trying to be useful. And that's what makes it powerful. Groceries, family trips, weekend adventures. It handles all of it without stress. Now, here's the truth. The compact SUV market is crowded. Toyota, Honda, Hyundai, all strong competitors. But the Escape does something different. It doesn't try to dominate every category. Instead, it balances everything: performance, efficiency, technology, comfort. And sometimes, balance is exactly what people are looking for. The 2026 Ford Escape isn't trying to change the world. It's trying to improve your everyday life. And maybe that's what makes it truly special. Because in the end, the best car isn't the one that impresses everyone else. It's the one that quietly works for you every single day. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit subscribe for more cinematic car reviews. And tell me in the comments, would you choose the Escape or something else? Because your next car might not be what you expect.